on the performance and overall
mihango-inĩ ya guthurima gikiro kia macira ma ngukumio maria magumeire kaunti itiganite bururi-ini. Kamiti ya Senate igie guthurima uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi CPAC ni tabanirie gikaro na kamiti ya kuhurana na ngukumio bururi-ini EACC niguo gukurana haria kinyitie macira maya ma ngukumio iria ikoretwo ikihanika makaunti-ini. Ni haha EACC kuhitokera muikariri giti wayo Dr. David Ogida na murugamiriri munene Abdi Mohamud morotire wabici ya mutabania wa thitango cia muingi ODPP itagukorwo ituikite muhinga munene hari mbara ya ngukumio kumana na uria ikoretwo igitianiria macira ma ngukumio na thengia wa gukorwo maiguithanirie na EACC ati mari na wira wa kuigana.
When we see cases then go sometimes to the point of getting to court and then it doesn't succeed, it is not something that we are happy about. And sometimes our own investigators, our teams are very discouraged when they see their work not bearing fruit, because nobody wants to work without fruit.
Kuma mwaka wa 2013 wabici ya ODPP itaaniirie muigana wa macira 18 ma ngukumio iria ihanikite makaunti-ini. Matatu ari ma ngukumio kaunti-ini ya Isiolo, Igoko kaunti cia Makueni, Tharaka-Nithi, Nakuru, Nyeri, Embu, Kericho, Garissa na Turkana ikiehererio cira umwe o kaunti. Igoko EACC akiuga ndiakuruhanirio na njira yothe ni ODPP hari gutianiria macira maya.
Some of this, especially in big corruption, a lot of money is spent in the investigative process. Some of them go across borders, and our teams have to go to other countries to collect evidence, and even the ones that are local. So you find that we spend quite a significant amount of money to investigate a case. And when it doesn't come through, it is a discouragement, but it is also a loss of resources.
Maseneta ni mokireire wabici ya ODPP ni mutugo uyu wa gutianiria macira ma ngukumio na thengia wa gukorwo mari na wira muiganu wa kumathitanga. Makiuga wabici ni ikoretwo iri ugwati munene hari mbara ya ngukumio bururi-ini.
Because you are the investigators, they are the prosecutors, you are the ones who know who committed the offense and who has not committed. So do you just sit there and say, let DPP prosecute whoever they want to prosecute, and agree with them or whether they will consult you or not?
How can we run the country, especially on this area of war against corruption, so casually, in a very casual manner like this? So I want you to be very candid to us, because Constitution's chairman, Constitution is a living document. If it's not serving the country, we can amend it. If we need to amend the Constitution for EACC to do prosecution, we can do it.
EACC akiendekithia bunge gutabania mogaruruku ma kiwatho na kumahe hinya wa gutabanagia thitango cia macira ma ngukumio niguo kuhotithio kinyaniria wa kihoto kuri muingi wa bururi kuma kuri aria makoretwo na mutugo wa kungumia kigina makaunti-ini na honge-ini ingi cia thirikari.
It would be good for us if we take our cases all the way through to court. Civil cases, as has been mentioned by the CEO, the law allows us to take our cases all the way through. And if you look at our rate of success, it is in the area of recoveries.
The criminal process, even where the DPP has withdrawn, in most of these cases, we go for civil recovery so that the public funds are recovered back. And that is what happened in this particular case.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.